Welcome to Data Logics. Today, let us see the steps to download Power BI. Power BI is a technology driven business intelligence tool provided by Microsoft for analyzing and visualizing raw data to present actionable information. In today's world, where data is a new fuel, Power BI is helping to combine business analytics, data visualization, and best practices that helps an organization to make data driven decisions. So, let us start with the steps. Firstly, we will go to this Microsoft Power BI desktop. We will click on this second link and then we need to select our preferred language, which we will select as English over here. We will go to the details, check the version and also the system requirements. We will also go through the installation instructions. Further, we will go to the download for free button in the top right corner of the page. There we will select the destination of the download which we want. So here, as we can see, the download is in progress. So once the download is complete, locate the installation. We will click on the next. So here we can see that we have Microsoft Power BI desktop software license agreement. We'll go through it. We will click on the next. We can also change the destination folder if we want. So further we will click on install. So the installation process may take a few minutes to complete. Once it's installed, you will see a message indicating that the installation is complete. So here we have completed the installation process. We will click on the next. And here we are all set to see the dashboard of Microsoft Power BI. Here we can view all the features provided by the Power BI. Here are the different tabs provided by the Power BI. Here are the different views: model view, data view, and we can also add data to our report if we want. To learn more about it, subscribe to Data Logics.